Are you ready to take control of your dreams and achieve success? Well, you're in the right place. In today's Nugget, we'll explore the incredible power of SMART goals and how they can pave the way for your accomplishments. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started on this journey toward your success. First things first, let's understand what SMART goals are all about. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now, SMART goals are not just a concept I speak about. I am a living testament to their effectiveness throughout my life, from high school days to my university years, from my career milestones, even in politics, to my family life. I have consistently set and achieved SMART goals. To achieve success with SMART goal setting, it's essential to follow the acronym as you define your goal. And here's how you're going to do that. First up, being specific. Now, being specific is the first step towards success with SMART goal setting. By clearly defining what you want to achieve, you set a clear path in motion. I've personally experienced the transformative power of setting specific SMART goals, from striving for a desired grade point average in high school to excelling in university. Being specific has always been the foundation of my success. So let's use the goal of getting promoted at work as an example of setting a specific goal. Instead of saying, I want to get promoted, a specific goal would be, I want to be promoted to the position of senior project manager within the next 12 months. Do you see how specific that was? It's not just I want to be promoted, but rather that I want to be promoted to a specific position within a specified period of time. Knowing this level of detail will start the wheels turning on laying out the exact steps you need to get that promotion, because you are clear about what you want. But we aren't done here. There are more letters in the acronym. So let's look at the M. Measurable. Measurability plays a vital role in achieving your goals. It allows you to track your progress and stay motivated along the way. In every aspect of my life, I have used measurable milestones to monitor my progress. Just as I would track my steps or heart rate, measuring small victories has kept me motivated and driven toward my goals. Now back to our example goal. Let's make this more measurable by breaking down the necessary steps and creating milestones to track our progress. For example, you can set targets such as completing specific projects, acquiring new skills, or receiving positive feedback from supervisors. That way, reaching these milestones will let you know that you are making progress and will keep you motivated on your journey to senior project manager. Let's turn our attention to the next letter in the acronym, A, Achievable. To ensure that your goals are achievable, it is crucial to be realistic and consider the resources and capabilities that are available to you. It is important to understand your limitations and set goals that are challenging yet attainable. By doing so, you can avoid setting yourself up for failure and instead create a roadmap to success. Remember, setting achievable goals is a crucial step towards achieving long-term success. It can also be useful for you to break down ambitious goals into smaller achievable tasks, which would allow you to consistently make progress and accomplish what you seemed impossible once before. Making your goals achievable is crucial. And so, if we go back to our example goal of being promoted to senior project manager within 12 months, to check whether it is achievable, it will be crucial for you to assess your current skills, experience, and the requirements for the desired position. Determine any gaps you may have and create a plan to acquire the necessary qualifications and showcase your capabilities. Aligning your goals with your vision is key to staying focused and motivated throughout your journey. My journey has been guided by my personal vision statement, which reflects my deepest aspirations, dreams, and values. Every SMART goal I set is carefully aligned with this vision, ensuring that my efforts are purposeful and relevant to my long-term success. Again, going back to our example, at this stage in the acronym, you have to ensure your goals are relevant to your overall vision and values. Ask yourself why this promotion is important to you. Maybe it aligns with your long-term career aspirations, or perhaps it offers you new challenges and opportunities for growth. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of setting deadlines for your goals, making them time-bound. Time-bound goals have played a crucial role in my journey. By establishing specific timelines and deadlines for each milestone, I create a sense of urgency that keeps me focused and accountable. It's amazing how setting time-bound objectives pushes me to take consistent action and make steady progress. So finally, let's take our example again and make this more time-bound. Setting a deadline for achieving the promotion, such as within the next 12 months, is an example of time-bound. Just by adding that deadline, you create a sense of urgency, which helps you prioritize tasks, seek growth opportunities, and demonstrate your readiness for the next level. Throughout my life, I have embraced SMART goals as more than just a concept. They have become an integral part of my success story. From excelling academically, winning a historic election, reaching career milestones, to creating a fulfilling family life, SMART goals have guided me every step of the way. The beauty of SMART goals lies in their adaptability and versatility. They can be applied to any area of life, enabling you to set clear intentions, devise actionable plans, and celebrate achievements along the journey. Now that you understand each aspect of SMART goals, it's time to apply them to your own aspirations. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that align with your vision. Whether it's getting promoted, acquiring new skills, or taking on leadership roles, let SMART goals guide you toward success. As we conclude our nugget for today, I hope you feel inspired to embark on your own path to success with the power of SMART goals. Set yourself up for greatness, overcome challenges, and celebrate the joy of achieving milestones along the way. Remember, the power lies within you. Start setting SMART goals today and watch your dreams become a tangible reality. Remember, you've got this. I hope you found today's nugget helpful. If you enjoy it, please consider subscribing to my channel and sharing with someone who you believe can benefit from the nuggets shared today. And don't forget, come back next week for more useful insights that will help you on your personal or professional development journey. You can also visit my website, Byron-Nisbett.com, to learn about how we can work together. Allow me to help you reach your fullest potential and achieve success. Until next time, remember to keep pushing, growing, and staying focused on your goals. Bye.